Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in the past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website. Let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can withdraw just Digibyte. First of all, put your wallet address in here and then come down and just click withdraw, and this website pay you instantly your coin to your faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, and I reload the page, come down, and you can see I recently received 1.9 Digibyte instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching, guys. This website pay you free cryptocurrency. This website is a light website. This website have much more ways that you can earn, and this is not fake website. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.